Now that we've shown you some of the new products from LOGIQ and ReadyAIR, I wanted to close out by giving you an inside look at the process of taking new products from concept to mass production and distribution through the vast Wheel Pros network. The innovation starts with the highly skilled group of individuals that are fueled by a passion to create products that optimize both form and function. The passion results in an uncompromised approach which ensures that every air suspension component is designed and tested to the highest level before getting the team's final stamp of approval. 100% of LOGIQ's prototyping and R&D is completed on-site in San Luis Obispo, using state-of-the-art processes and equipment, which results in the most rapid new product development in the industry, the most advanced engineering software available, rapid 3D printers, CNC plasma cutting, and the baddest 5-axis machining center available makes prototypes come to reality in hours. These prototypes are then subjected to a combination of analytic and real-world tests to validate the strength, performance, and durability of every new product before starting production. LOGIQ's engineering work doesn't stop at product design. They are also responsible for the pilot production of all new products in order to test out assembly procedures, fixtures, and quality control checks. After the pilot production is complete, each new product transitions to mass production at ReadyLift's brand new facility in Ogden, Utah. This massive 160,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility features world-class CNC machining centers, laser cutters, CNC forming equipment, robotic welders, automatic powder coating, assembly, and packaging. The finished products then enter Wheel Pro's vast distribution network with over 40 warehouses serving more than 10,000 dealers worldwide. This process guarantees a level of quality and availability for LOGIQ and ReadyAIR products that is unmatched in the industry. You may be asking yourself, Del, when can I get my hands on these parts? The answer is now. Multiple ReadyAIR load leveling kits are already shipping for Ford trucks, with Ram and Chevy applications right around the corner.